oils sitting around that I'm not using. What I was going to do is I was going to turn them into some kind of a body butter. So it's very clean, very fresh. Smells very nice, but it's been sitting in my house and I'm not using it for a long time. So right for this, like some kind of a body butter, I normally like the Nud Butter. It really works good. Then I'm using a beaker to just measure how many oils that I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna need some kind of a spatula to go. Let's go ahead and start putting the Nud body butter. This is a pure butter. I have argan oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. Beaker, this one actually has the little up to like 20. Now the reason I'm gonna put it up to 20 is when I actually did the math, I wanted to actually have about 5%. And if you can read at the bottom, it says 429 grams in a jar. So if it's 429 grams, about 20 to 21 grams of the oil, that's what you're gonna need to put it in. So I'm gonna put about 2 bottles of this. Each one is about 10 ml. So I'm gonna see how much oil I actually get out of it. I got about the amount of oil that I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this oil and I'm gonna pour it right in here. Put this together, lock it up, and turn it on. Okay, so I mixed it about for 5 minutes. It's time to see what we have. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, that looks good. That looks awesome, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into the same jar, so I don't have to actually buy an extra jar. So I'm putting it back in here. Ooh. Now, since I actually mixed it, there's a little bit of air that actually went in, so the whole thing might not fit into this. If you have an extra jar at home, you might want to use that. That might actually help. I'm gonna take this off. Look at this, man. Can you guys see this? That looks good. Like really good quality. And it's very thick. So you know it's gonna stay. Ah, it smells so good. There we go. The cream is ready. See, that's how it's made. So we're gonna go and apply it a little bit. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh, good. Whew. Strong. And of course, it's made out of my personal home oils, but you guys can actually go ahead and turn it into anything that you would like. You can actually go ahead and use it for using lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree oil, skin cream, whatever you want to turn into, whatever your imagination can take you. You can actually go ahead and use this Nud Butter to go ahead and turn into any kind of cream that you would like to make.